Christmas cocktail recipes. Cocktails are a festive party favorite and hosts don't need to be an expert mixologist to shake and stir their guests with some exotic recipes. Specialist distillers Didsbury Gin has conjured up a magical mix of cocktail creations, including last-minute mulled wine, a cranberry Crimbo cocktail and the festive dark and stormy which are sure to warm any winter evening. Some of the drinks use Didsbury Gin's brand new Christmas pudding liqueur, while the outfit's arlu rums are key ingredients in other tipples. The creations are the brainchild of Didsbury Gin founders Mark Smallwood and Liam Manton and their team at the Manchester-based distillers. Here are some of the recipes. Last-minute mulled wine. Product to use: arlu blood orange rum or arlu original spiced rum. Instructions: add all ingredients to a saucepan. Cook over low heat until warm. Remove from heat and let stand for 5 to 10 minutes. Serve in mugs or punch cups. Ingredients: 1/2 bottle fruity red wine, 60 ml rum, 2 star anise pods, 1 long strip of lemon or orange peel, 1 teaspoon sugar. Cinnamon sticks for garnish. Blood orange Christmas Fizz. Product to use: arlu blood orange rum. Instructions: grate fresh ginger. Muddle with lime juice and honey in a shaker. Shake with rum, cranberry juice, and ginger. Beer. Strain into coupe or flute and top up with prosecco. Dust with nutmeg and enjoy. Ingredients: 50 ml rum, 40 ml ginger beer, 20 ml cranberry juice, 15 ml lime juice, 10 grams ginger, 5 ml honey, prosecco, to top up. Grated nutmeg for garnish. Cranberry Crimbo cocktail. Product to use: Didsbury Original Gin. Instructions: fill tumbler glass with ice cubes and add the gin and lemon juice. Top with the cranberry juice and stir. Adjust to taste. Garnish with cranberries and mint leaves. Ingredients: 1 or 2 measures gin, 150 ml cranberry juice, 10 ml lemon juice, fresh cranberries, mint leaves. Festive dark and stormy. Product to use: arlu passion fruit and mango rum. Instructions: add all ingredients to a cocktail shaker. Shake gently and pour into 2 separate glasses over ice. Ingredients: 80 ml rum, 80 ml cranberry juice, 120 ml ginger beer, 20 ml cinnamon syrup or 10 ml maple syrup and 3 pinches of cinnamon, 20 ml fresh lime juice, lime wedges and cranberries and cinnamon sticks to decorate. Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press the bell button so you can get the latest information from my video. Thank you and happy watching.